everybody. Welcome to World Educational Hub. I am Ashara Saxena, and today I am going to start with a new playlist on Java programming. This new series is going to be based on the latest features of Java. As you all must be knowing that developers use Java to construct applications in laptops, data centers, game consoles, scientific computers, cell phones, and other devices. So Java is the world's third most popular language after Python and C. Java is very important and it's necessary for the developers and the people who are having interest in software development. So, to learn Java is very necessary. As today, this is the very first video of Java programming series. So, I am going to start with the introduction. This introduction will be starting with the introduction to language because when we talk about Java, Java is a language. Java is a programming language. And when we talk about language, before being a programming language, Java is a language. Or if we talk about it, what is a language? Either it is English, Hindi, Urdu, Farsi, Marathi, Japanese, Chinese, any language. So what is the purpose of language? Language is the medium of communication through which we can establish communication between people. So it comes that, okay, the language is medium of communication. We can communicate with the help of language. So how does the computer understand the language which we use? Like we type in English, either it is a C language code, or you can say it is a Python, Java, or any other code. Whatever code we are writing, we always write that code in English language with some different syntax of the programming languages. So the code is already written in English. It comes at which language does the computer understand? Everybody comment in the comment section that according to you, which language does the computer understand? Pause the video and comment. Okay, I hope you have commented in the comment section. According to you, which language does the computer understand? The correct answer is machine language. Machine language or the binary language, which is having 0, 1 codes. That is the binary code, you can say. Bi means 2. So 0, 1 are the two different numbers which are actually in the binary language. So binary language and the machine language is the same thing. And the computer understands only the binary language. So now it comes that the computer understands binary language, and whenever we are typing our code, we always type that code in English language. The language is English, whichever syntax we use, that is another thing. So how does the computer understand that code which we are typing? So you can answer it in the comment section that according to you, how does the computer understand the code which we are typing? When the computer understands machine language and we type in English language, so how does the computer understand that code? Kindly answer in the comment section. What do you think about it? Pause the video, answer in the comment section. I hope you have answered in the comment section. So there are actually the softwares which are known as translators. Translators are the system softwares, and I'm just going to tell about them. Translators are the system softwares, and there are 3 types of translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So these are the 3 different types of translators available. Translators are system softwares, and they are actually used for the translation purpose from one language to another. Assembler is used for the conversion of assembly language to the machine language. Like you can say assembly to low level language, or low level language. LLL, low level language, that is machine language. Then compiler and interpreter, both are actually used for the same purpose. Like compiler is used for the conversion of high level language to low level language, and interpreter is also used for the conversion of high level language to low level language. So now it comes that when 2 different softwares like compiler and interpreter both are actually doing the same task, they are converting the high level language code, that is the language, English language, you can say. English language is actually considered to be high level language. So the code which you are typing in English, which with any particular syntax, that code is converted into the machine language code. So how does the computer understand it? Like simply it converts it from the high level to low level. And compiler and interpreter both are the softwares which are used for the same purpose. So now I would like to ask you all that according to you, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Answer your answer in the comment section. Just give your answer in the comment section below that according to you, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Pause the video and answer. Okay, so like we will be discussing these things in very details afterwards also. Like although this is a Java programming playlist, so we will be definitely focusing on the very much practical section of the Java. And next video onwards, we will be implementing the Java codes. But yes, these concepts are very necessary concepts. Like whenever you are studying a programming language, it's also necessary to understand their basics. So if you are new to this programming or any particular programming language you have already studied, then also these concepts are necessary. So basically the difference between compiler and interpreter is that the compiler is used to convert the whole code at once, whereas the interpreter converts the code line by line. So now I'm going to talk about that what are the different types of programming languages. There are basically three types of programming language. This is the very basic classification of language. Low-level language, middle-level language, and high-level language. This is the very basic classification. There can be different classifications also, but this is the basic classification. So low, middle, and high. Now, machine language and the assembly language are the only two languages which are kept into the low-level language category. Machine language, that is the binary language 0, 1, and the assembly language. These are the only two languages which are kept into the low-level language category. Whereas C language is kept into the middle level language category, and C++, Java, C#, Python, COBOL, these all the languages which are kept into the high level language category. So the languages which are kept in the high level language, they are actually the object-oriented programming languages. The languages which follow the OOPS concepts or the object-oriented programming concepts are kept into the high level language category. One more question I would like to ask you, that according to you, in which particular category C language lie? You can just comment your answer in the comment section. Just comment your answer below in the comment section that according to you, in which particular category C language lie. You have to answer low, middle, or high. Maybe you have studied it is low level language, or you have studied it is high level language or middle level. Just answer in the comment section that whatever you feel like. It is mid level language, middle level language, or high level language. Pause the video and answer. I hope you have answered in the comment section. So let's move further. So C language is actually a middle level language. And why? That also I'm going to tell you right away. When we talk about C language is created at AT&T Bell Labs in 1972 by Danius Ritchie. That is the thing which you all know. But why it was created? You all must be knowing about, you can say, Unix operating system. You must be knowing about the Unix operating system. So the Unix operating system was created at AT&T Bell Labs by Danius Ritchie. And that particular operating system, like when they were planning to create that operating system, that time they required a language. So that time they decided to create a language, and that was the C language which was created. So when a language is compatible to create a complete operating system, and the C language is having the capabilities to handle the complexities to create an objective operating system, so it cannot be kept into the low-level language category, because the languages which are kept in the low-level language category are very much machine dependent, whereas the C language can handle the complexities. We can create complex programs, different system softwares like translators are also created in C. So it cannot be kept into the low-level language category. And as C language does not have the OOPS concepts, like C language does not have the object-oriented programming concepts, that's why it cannot be kept into the high-level language category also. So this is the reason that why C language is kept into the in the middle level category. Because it is combining the features of the low level and high level. That's why it is kept in the middle level language category. So that was about the introduction to language. I would like to keep this video till here only. In the next video, I will be discussing about introduction to Java, and I will be telling the installation procedure of Java. We will be using the latest versions of Java in this playlist. So stay tuned. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.